Finishing up this patio job here. Of course, I started the camera. I had a little time lapse going. I was going to try doing the time lapse thing, and my memory card filled up. I had a nice good battery and I was checking it often, but apparently I missed the SD card full message and messed that up. So just gonna go with some regular footage, see what I can get. Maybe just to fast forward, set the camera up, and we'll finish out this patio. First step, I'm gonna set up some screeding pipes. I got the sand over there to screed to do our bedding sand, so I'm gonna probably do the majority of this whole area and get it all straightened out, ready to start laying, and then we're going to continue on placing some patio block. See how it comes out. Well, once again, memory card ran out. All finished here. Well, not finished, but the patio blocks are laid. I got the corners cut. Just did a rounding off around the edges. It's gonna look a lot nicer. I still got to do the polymeric sand in the cracks and the plastic edging around the edge. And then I'm just going to probably grab a yard of loam and just kind of dress up all around the edges of the patio, so it's a nice even walk right onto it from the ground. But there you go, nice and flat and level. Looking good. Still got to adhesive the top of the fire pit together too. But I'll just touch up things. So I'm gonna get cleaning up here before it gets dark, and probably do a picture or a video of the finished product once I put all the edging in and do all the loam and everything.